Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For a better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about positioning views related to other views. In addition to positioning views relative to the parent layout, you can also position views related to other views. You do this when you want views to stay aligned in some way, irrespective of the screen size or orientation. In addition to position a view relative to another view, the view you are using as an anchor must be given an ID using the Android ID attribute. Android ID is equal to @+ID/button click. The syntax @+ID tells Android to include the ID as a resource in its resource file r.java. If you miss out the plus, Android won't add the ID as a resource and you will get errors in your code. Here's how you create a layout with two buttons, with one button centered in the middle of the layout and the second button positioned under the first. The lines Android layout align left is equal to @+ID/button click, Android layout below @+ID/button click. Ensure that the second button has its left edge aligned to the left edge of the first button and is always positioned beneath it. Now let's talk about some of the attributes you can use when positioning views related to another view. Add the attribute to the view you are positioning and set its value to the view you are positioning relative to. Android attribute is equal to @+ID/viewID. Android layout above. Put the view above the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout below. Puts the view below the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout align top. Aligns the top edge of the view to the top edge of the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout align bottom. Aligns the bottom edge of the view to the bottom edge of the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout align left. Aligns the left edge of the view to the left edge of the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout align right. Aligns the right edge of the view to the right edge of the view you are anchoring it to. Android layout to left of. Puts the right edge of the view to the left of view you are anchoring it to. Android layout to right of. Puts the left edge of the view to the right of the view you are anchoring it to. That's it for this video. I'll be continuing more about the relative layout in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment on this video, which really motivates me to make such useful content for you. Also, don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you, and finally, subscribe to my channel.